Hi guys, I'm Kenji Mozaro. Now we're in Amazing Thai. We're gonna share with you the beauty of this restaurant. Is Sawadika. And thank you so much for always supporting my channel, Kenji Mozaro. Don't forget to always like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Hi MOZARMY, glad to see you guys again as always on our foodie time in Minnesota. This time we have this beautiful amazing Thai restaurant right in 3024 Hennepin Avenue, Minneapolis, Minnesota, which is really right by the downtown, beautiful, giving Thai culture and deco all around the restaurant. And the opening hours are Sunday to Monday is 11 to 9 p.m. and Friday, Saturday from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. I'm really amazed with all the decoration and the art all around the restaurant. It makes me feel like I'm in Thailand. Look at all around the decoration and the art all around the restaurant. It's just so beautiful. This restaurant is perfect for friends and family, even from office for gathering. And I just love being inside here and with all this table dining, and just really nice to just chill with your family and friends to get together. And look at this party room created by beautiful two statues, and look at, oh wow, it's so colorful umbrellas and beautiful room, perfect for your private party here. And yeah, check on the opening hours, you guys.
Hey, come on, you know that's cold. Come on, let's do it. Wait 1 second. Okay. Hold on, wait. All right, let's get it. Throw this down somewhere.
No, I will block you because I don't think you would. No,
Sit right there, look.
It's okay, man. Alright guys, the food are here. So we do have the walleye with the red tomato sauce, crispy, and then I ordered the red curry duck and with the spice level tree. Look at them, the presentation is amazing. The walleye is like the national Minnesota fish. It's really popular in Minnesota. That's why I ordered this. It's so good. And yeah, bon appetit. Oh, hold on, gonna try this sauce. This is amazing, guys. Love it. All right. Good, thank you. Thank you so much. Gue suka kalau makanan ada timunnya, Wak. How is it, Ray?
Amazing.
Amazing Thailand. What is mana ya restoran? Just hard. Restoran yang paling enak adalah kategorinya banyak ya nih ya, restorannya sendiri atau tempatnya, makanannya, semuanya gitu ya. The whole experience. Aku between Gyukaku sama ini. Dua itu tuh.
Aku Gyukaku.
Gyukaku lucu gitu loh. Asik loh, bisa cool, nyantai, chill. Minumannya juga enak kan. Gue suka minumannya.
Servernya juga
Keren. Jadi between ini, tapi Gyukaku deh gue.
Gyukaku gue juga.
Gyukaku.
Semuanya komplit. Semuanya ada di situ. Plus semua.
Dan Gyukaku enak aja. Vibe-nya gitu loh, nggak terlalu kaku, chill aja.
Terus nggak rame banget gitu ya. Masih bisa chill.
Can we place to go?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Try out food.
Yeah.
You need a menu?
Oh no.
No.
Yeah.
You like me to do that?
If you want to drop that one. Yeah. Oh my god. Look how boxing all the food.
Mess up deh.
He did it. Guys, the food is unquestionable. It's delicious here. I'm trying to find the light here, it's much better. So yeah, and this is the most beautiful restaurant that I've ever been in. So please check this place out. It's amazing Thailand, right in downtown Minneapolis. Looking for Zippo now to see what is the look like and the price wise. So let's look.
Both liars, I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is
Udah deh lu, baru 1 menit deh, udah gagal.
Keluarannya lah, nggak bisa difilter juga.
Iya, sama gue ngerti perasaan lu. So guys, that's all for today. We're having a great time with Ray and me. We had a lunch in Amazing Thailand and looking at the Zippo light up as you request, one of the followers, and I hope you get what you want for that. Thank you for always following me and my channel, supporting me, and like and share and comments. Cheers.